Coming back to learning Illustrator in here, day 161, let me show the measure tool. So we had the dimension tool already in our playlist, but the measure tool is a little bit different. You can find it where the eyedropper tool is, just right click on it. And you can see it opens up the info menu, and when you left click and then left click drag, maybe up to here. You know what, let me change the fill color here of my rectangle so that we can actually see it. And I do it again. I use the measure tool, then left click from one anchor point top left to the bottom right, and you get this line. And by the way, it doesn't matter if your element is selected or not. First up, we have the X and Y value. This is just for the position on the canvas. So X is horizontal, Y is vertical. Then we have a W for width. You can see that here it's the same when I go from one anchor point to the next. Also for height, which is the H value, it's the same when I go from top to bottom of my rectangle. Then we have a D, which is the distance. So if I go, let's say here, diagonally, width and height are the same for a rectangle. So it measures the distance of the X and Y position for the 2 points that I've created here using this tool. But the distance obviously then a little bit longer for the diagonal line. And then there's also an angle option. Finally, it calculates the area. And if for some reason you can't see that menu, just go to Window and click on Info. But usually it should pop up when you activate the measure tool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.